And so on to the awards for 2013, beginning with the architectural concrete category, which goes to 115 West Street, Santon, Alexander Forbes. The judges were very impressed with the use of concrete in this landmark office block within the Santon CBD. Concrete played a major part in achieving this rating. The complex architecture is technically difficult and iconic, incorporating elements such as concrete double-story raked columns and curved scalloped walls. I now move on to the next category, which is sustainable concrete. It gives me great pleasure to advise you that the winner in the sustainable concrete category is the De Hoop Dam near Steelport in Limpopo. Sustainability issues were paramount when designing and constructing this structure. The use of pulverized fly ash in the concrete mix up to a 70% level maximized the reduction in the carbon footprint of the concrete, as well as assuring a highly compacted and dense finished product. The winner of the innovative construction category is the Podium at Menlo. The engineer required the concrete feature walls to be part of the structural framework of the building, and hence the contractor had to cast portions of the feature walls simultaneously with the main frame of the building. This meant that the downstand proportions of the feature walls were cast simultaneously with the first floor slab. And the winner of the building structure category is the Sanrel head office. This fascinating 4-star rated building is very worthy of the Fulton Award in the building structure category. The use of concrete, apart from the accepted reasons of cost effectiveness and low maintenance, was chosen as it provided a visual and structural reference to the flowing roads and spanning bridges that typify the projects that Sanrel undertake. And finally, we move on to the civil engineering structure category. I want to break with protocol again, and I would like to ask Jaco van die Kerk and Wouter Teron if they would please come to the stage. And in doing so, I'm announcing the winner of the civil engineering category, which is the De Hoop Dam near Steelport in Limpopo. De Hoop Dam will be one of the biggest roller compacted concrete dams in South Africa, with a total concrete volume of more than 1 million cubic meters. The judges were highly impressed with the attention paid to reaching the optimum mix design that yielded vast improvement in the roller compacted concrete.
I think the passionate in which people did their daily task, their willingness to make things work against all odds, against constraints, and their absolute will to make a difference and apply concrete in their efforts to make a difference. But we also expected to win this award because our colleague Johan tragically died in a car accident on Monday night, and this award is actually a tribute to him and what he did and the role that he played in our lives. So I think everything worked out fine. It wasn't a surprise with expectation, but we're glad it turned out the way it turned out. We're very proud of him, very proud of our teams, very proud of the Department of Water Affairs.
We were expecting some commendations. It's very difficult always to predict whether you'll actually win an award. We put in a lot of effort as Sanrel into the aesthetic side of our, be it our buildings or our bridges. I think the biggest challenge for the project was actually to complete it in time. We from the time that we put out to tender to the time it was something like 12 months, and we had a lease that was expiring on our existing building, and there was no option. We had to move in.
The design is so innovative that everybody had to work hard and look into the challenges to find solutions to make this building such a beautiful building. And the concrete was really perfectly, and I can just imagine that everybody that worked on this project is just going to love it, and they're just going to look forward to going forward with it.